Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change or add music in Sonic Speed Simulator in Roblox. So I made this video for beginner. So I made this account also for beginner. And here we go. In order to change the background music, it's very easy to do it. All you have to do now, just try to search this Jukebox, this one. So the location is near the trading hub and free spin. And here we go, this is the music Jukebox. So just go to the music Jukebox, and here we go. For default, you got 10 music that you can play as your background. You can adjust the volume also, you can mute it. And here we go. In order to change or add new music, you have to find the hidden music notes in all words to unlock the new one. So it's very easy, right? So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.